In this video, I'll show you how to send money from your Lloyds Bank account to a Monzo account. The process is simple, and you can do it entirely through the Lloyds Bank mobile app or via online banking on a computer. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Lloyds Bank app installed on your device. A stable internet connection is also important to ensure your banking session runs smoothly. Once you're ready, open the Lloyds Bank mobile app and log in with your secure credentials. If you prefer using a computer, log into your Lloyds online banking account through a web browser. After logging in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer section. On mobile, this is usually located on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access the payments and transfer options. Next, choose the option to make a payment and register a new payee or recipient. This is where you will enter the details for the external Monzo account. You'll need the Monzo account holder's name, sort code, and account number. You can find all this information in the Monzo app or through Monzo online banking. Make sure to double-check the details to avoid any errors. Once entered, the Monzo account will appear under your pay options. Tap the Monzo account, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and review the transfer options. You can choose to make it a one-time payment or set it up as a standing order for recurring payments. Confirm all the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm the transfer, the money will be sent to the Monzo account. Standard transfers may take a few business days, but if your Lloyds account supports faster payments, you may be able to transfer the money within seconds, though some fees may apply. And that's how to send money from Lloyds Bank to a Monzo account quickly and securely. This method is convenient, safe, and works for both one-time and recurring transfers.